Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Ashley wig by NV in the color Frosted. This is technically a re-review. I've already reviewed this particular wig, but I wanted to show it to you with the high-def camera, so I figured it was worth revisiting. Plus, I really love this frosted color, and I wanted to show this to you in a little bit better detail because I think it's one of those colors that kind of scares people off. And you shouldn't be scared of it. It's super, super, super subtle and super cute. So let me talk about the color really quick and then I'll talk about this Ashley wig. The base color on Frosted is a dark ash blonde. Really pretty dark ash blonde, by the way. Very dynamic, very pretty color. And then you get down towards these tips and they're not super light. You see the contrast there, but what they are is they're gold. You know, so it's like a very subtle transition from a dark ash blonde to a medium golden blonde. And the effect is very subtle and very pretty. I love this color. And when I do my 360, you'll really get to see how pretty this color is on a wig as heavily textured as Ashley here. So Ashley is mid-length, curly, va-va-voom, has a ton of body and volume right here. So not so much up here at the top. I mean, it does have permatease up here, especially on the sides. It has a monofilament part that's right down the center, which is why it's parted this way. But there isn't a ton of permatease here on the sides. So most of the volume comes courtesy of all of the layering cut into this wig and all of these big bouncy curls. So let me go ahead and do a 360 to show you what this one looks like on all sides. Ashley has a 7-inch bang that is meant to be swept off to the side. She's symmetrically cut on both sides, by the way. The crown down is 8.25 inches. The sides are 9.25 and the nape is 8.25, though this wig wears a lot shorter just because she's so textured and curled. And the weight on Ashley is 4.3 ounces. So she doesn't really feel particularly heavy on. She does feel really bouncy and voluminous. So she's really fun to wear. You know, the only thing that's a little off about her is the fact that she does have this part right smack dab down the center of the wig. But you know what? She looks kind of cute parted down the center, so it works. I'm going to go ahead and take Ashley off now so I can show you the cap. As I mentioned, this is a lace front monofilament part wig with the part right smack dab down the center with the horseshoe permatease on the open wefted parts of the top. Then it's open wefted on the sides, open wefted in the back. We've got an extended felt nape that's adjustable, a bit like a bra strap back there, and we also have closed lace ear tabs. And this mono part is super thick. I mean, it's really dense. See if I can show it off to you. I mean, it's very densely threaded. The knots are a little bit on the big side, but it still looks really super cute. Can you see that? Okay. I think a reason for that is because the actual grid pattern on this lace tends to be a little thicker than some of the other brands. But there's that texture up close. Oh, such a pretty texture, beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and put Ashley back on for you now. I think this wig is one of those ones that's kind of underappreciated, just because I think people, like people are afraid of the color that I mentioned. I think people are also kind of afraid of this wig just because it has that center part and it's got all this volume. But I think if you're the kind of person that can embrace that volume and all of these curls, that Ashley is a really darling wig. So this has been the Ashley. This is a re-review, so if you want to see the original review, check it out. It's in a brunette shade. By Envy in the color Frosted. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos. Please be sure to check out my wig site if you get a chance. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.